Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to view saved reels on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your saved reels on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. And after opening your Facebook app, make sure to log into the account on which you have saved your data. And at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, guys, there is a small circle icon with the three lines on it. You can see just below the messenger icon. That's the menu icon. Tap on it, guys. And over here, guys, you'll see a bunch of options, but at the first of these options are just beside the memories. There you can see the saved options available for us. Tap on that saved. And over here, guys, you can see there are collections for only me, but I'll be tapping on see all, and we'll be able to see all of the saved videos and reels on Facebook. And over here, guys, you can see there are some of them are reels category and some of them are video categories, but either ways they are available over here. And there, guys, this is how you view your saved reels on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.